I made oatmeal cookies following Chef Vic Cuisine's recipe on YouTube. I'll put a link in the description. I left out the walnuts because I didn't have any, and I used flaked almonds instead. And I also used sultanas instead of chocolate chip cookies. Now let's see what they taste like. They're delicious. The brown sugar really adds to the flavour. Highly recommended.
My pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train.